Hey everybody, Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. First of all, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the notification bell to be notified of my uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But today I'm making a new cover for my fleshing beam. The PVC 6-inch thick wall works best. That's just my opinion, that's me. Can't find my old one. I had one that I've used for so long, and I moved my skinning shed out to the new place. So I might make a new one, so stick around. Let's see the process. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. But he ain't going nowhere about it. That's a good looking dog, but he ain't got me guard hers. Watch, he got this tore off the Chicago. Now the idea here is to cut it in half long way, get your length, shape it with a grinder. Best practice is face mask. Get her to settle down a minute and I'll get that cut. Stay with me. Now that I have the fleshing beam at the size that I need rough cut, got two halves, what I'll do is I'll take me a permanent marker and I'll cut these edges down right here, kind of make a little cone shaped nose to this cover. I was asked why I used PVC. Over time, your fleshing beam, it'll get saturated with animal fat, fluids, and liquids, and tends to get soft. And as it gets soft, that's the more pressure you have to put with that fleshing knife, and you're more apt to tear that hide, or at least I do. And I found this is a quick, easy way, a lot less work involved if you cover it with PVC. Stick around, we'll get this marked out. I'll get this shaped a little bit, and then we'll get ready to mount it. Stick around. Here's my old flashing beam I got mounted. Look at it, covered in grease and nastiness. Perfect. Now all I got to do is maybe put me a little screw back there, maybe one right here on the side. Square it up pretty good. Makes for a nice one. Get you a better angle of it. Stay with me. The contour on that kind of helps me. See, that turned out real nice. That's the right size, the right height. And I don't have to worry about slippage when it comes to having my board saturated. Me trying to put pressure on that flashing knife. Let's see how that knife's going to ride on that PVC. Stick around. Regardless of what size knife you use, I like using this little Weeby 8. Fine work all the way around. Contoured, feels good, full arm length. Or the big knife, the big boy. Yeah, feels good, feels good. Now, like I said, what I'll do is I'll take me a few little drywall screws and I'll attach it to the sides, maybe once or twice, just enough to hold the beam in place, the cover. And makes for a nice beam right there. Don't have to worry about the wood getting saturated, getting soft, putting more pressure than needed to remove fat and clean that hide. Now, I know PVC on a fleshing beam is not a new idea. It's not a new concept. But it's one that I've always used ever since I've been trapping, ever since I've been fleshing animals. And regardless if you're a professional or a beginner, it takes a lot of work out of what you're doing. Whether you're fleshing one hide or 100 hides. Now, if you're a beginner, the good thing about PVC on your fleshing beam, you're less likely to damage that hide. You'll come out with a good clean hide ready for tanning. And that's my take on it. That's how I do it. Nevertheless, this is Roland Smith, Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Appreciate everything that you do for me and my family, and the Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance channel. As always, go farther, stay longer. I hope to get you out there. Thanks for watching.